I want to see Taki's special motorcycle, and I want to see Suki's bike too. I wonder what Hina's motorcycle looks like. Let's go check them out, guys. Suki, show me your motorcycle.
I don't know, Hiro. I don't think that's a good idea.
If you show me, I'll give you my legendary game console.
Okay, here it is, Hiro.
Wow, it's all made of pink crystals. Now it's your turn, Taki. I'll only show you if you let me in the race. Fine, it's a deal. Check it out, Hiro. Whoa, this bike is made of pure lightning. Now only Hina's bike is left.
Okay, Hiro. But first, I need our friends to help. Please, guys, leave a like and subscribe. Actually, I have a giant golden submarine of my own.